Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix iMessage activation problem in iOS 26 or later. You may not be able to activate iMessage on your device with a phone number if there is an inactive SIM or eSIM with the same phone number as an active SIM. When faced with this annoying problem, you'll see the not delivered alert for sent iMessages and iMessages won't be able to be received. Messages will be sent and received via RCS or SMS and will have green bubbles instead of the blue bubbles. Alternatively, iMessage might be sent using an email address instead of a phone number. Fortunately, you can easily fix this annoying problem. Let me show you how it's done the right way. The most effective way to fix this annoying problem is to remove the inactive SIM and attempt to reactivate the iMessage on your iPhone. Deleting a SIM that's not in use can be done by going to the cellular section of the settings app and then deleting the inactive SIM if there are two displayed with the same phone number. If the inactive SIM is a physical SIM, it should be removed from the iPhone. If the inactive SIM is an eSIM, it can be deleted from the cellular interface. And once you have successfully removed the inactive SIM from your iPhone, you can activate the iMessage from the Settings app. Just open the Settings app on your device, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. After that, select Messages, and then you have to tap on Send and Receive option. And then you have to choose the displayed phone number, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix iMessage activation problem in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked these pretty handy tricks, make the most of it to get the better of this annoying problem as and when it crops up on your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.